Hi and welcome to the 14th part of this tutorial series. And so last video we implemented some input from the user, and basically we can now move our rocket with our arrow keys. Now our rocket at the moment can actually go off screen, and yeah, we don't really want that for a game. So let's create a bounding box. So create two new files, .cpp and .h. I use the class template in Xcode and name it bounding box. So basically we will create a data structure where we can store the bonds of our screen. So great. Okay. So type def struct. So this will have a couple of integers. The first one will be the int top, int bottom, int left, and int right. And this will also and name this bounding box, by the way. Bounding box, yes. Okay. And also create a new function and call this. So it will have a return type of bounding box and call it make bounding box, and it will take all of the arguments. So in top, int bottom, int right, and int left. Oh yeah, make sure it's left is first. Yeah, it looks better. And int right. Okay, now in your .cpp file, let's implement this. It should be a pretty straightforward method, a function. Just copy and paste this. And yeah, so bounding box. So create a new variable called bounding box. And bounding box dot top equals top bounding box dot bottom equals bottom. Oh yeah, sorry. The variable, not the structure. Okay. Then bounding box dot left equals left, and I did it again. Got that. As bounding box dot right equals right. So we just assign all of the arguments to the variables of the bounding box structure and return return bounding box. Okay, so just a very basic function to create a bounding box. Then return to your player class and add the bounding box structure. So include bounding box. Yeah. Well, yeah, include bounding box and create a new private. And name this bounding box. Okay, so in your update method, add a couple of extra arguments to your if statement. So I mean conditions, not arguments, conditions. So if you get a key, make sure that the position is smaller or equal to the bounding box dot top, and make sure the position dot y. I'll just copy and paste this. Then make sure that if you go down, that the position dot y is greater than or equal to bounding box dot bottom. The position dot, if you go left, make sure that the position dot x is greater than bounding box dot left. And if we go right, make sure that position dot x is I'm sorry, so if you go left, it should be greater than. No, it should be. Yes, it should be greater than. And if we go so greater than or equal to, and if we go right, it should be lesser or equal to bounding box dot right. Okay. So we added the extra conditions. Now go to your game window.node.cpp class. And we'll actually, wait a second, return here and create a new method, a new function, well, method, not method, and name this, and basically it will be void set bounding box. And we'll take a bounding box as an argument. So bounding box. Oh, and actually make sure there's an underscore. So underscore bounding box, and actually this in your update method. Okay, so implement the set bounding box function method. I'm sorry. So void player sprite set bounding box bounding box. Yeah, it's basically just underscore bounding box equals bounding box. Okay, so now I'll go to your game window class. And in your constructor, where we create a rocket, make sure that, well, let's basically create a new bounding box. So rocket dot pointer to set bounding box and make bounding box, and so our top bound will be our height, our bottom will be 0, our left will be 0, and our right will be our width. So these are basically the dimensions of our screen. So if we run our game now, if we try to move, we still can move our rocket, but if we try to move off screen, it stops. Same here, and in the top it should also work. And we still can go up top, so I'm not sure why. Yeah, and still can go to the left. That's because the origin of our rocket is actually in the, it's not in the middle, but it's in the bottom left corner. So to fix this, we can, well, actually it's best to make sure the origin is always in the in the center. So let's fix this. So take this macro, define square size, and get and paste this into your sprite.h, and then in your render method, the GL translate function basically do position.x minus square size divided by 2, and also with position.y do minus square size divided by 2. So we want to move our transformation up by 50 pixels on the x-axis and by 50 pixels on the y-axis. So now if we run our application again, our rocket, it can still move, but if we try to go down, we can't. We can only go like half. But now if we go to the right, it also goes like half. So yeah, so we still can see our rocket, and this is actually good enough for our game. Okay. So next video we'll see. Okay. See you then. Bye.